Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming screen time is active. Open settings and enable screen time if it's off. Once done, set or verify your screen time passcode or Apple ID permissions because you'll need them to customize widgets. Next, pick the exact home screen page and location where you want the data to appear, top row, middle, or a widget stack. Now move to the home screen editing mode so you can place the screen time widget exactly where it helps you check usage quickly. You're now in the middle of the process. Long press an empty area to enter jiggle mode, then tap the plus icon to open widgets. Search for screen time and preview sizes. Small shows a quick summary, medium shows more categories, large shows detailed graphs. Choose based on how much info you need. Tap Add Widget and drag it to your chosen spot, or drop it into a smart stack if you want multiple widgets in one space. Make sure the widget reflects the correct device or family member. Finish by tapping Done to lock the widget in place, then open Screen Time to verify the numbers update. If the widget shows stale or blank data, make sure the widget is set to the correct device or family member and that Screen Time Sync is enabled in Settings. If that fails, restart the device. If problems persist, toggle Screen Time off and back on, but note this may reset some local data. One key tip: check iCloud and Apple ID consistency across devices when
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.